You just went to Prudhoe Bay. How do you feel?
It was fantastic. It exceeded my wildest expectations, and my expectations were quite high.
It's a cold, cold December. There's more dark than light. People walking with their heads down, and people drinking at night. And my friends, they all left town, 'cause they got nothing to say. Looking back at the things they've done, I wonder how they're gonna get paid. Well, they tried to run, but they couldn't hide, 'cause all the troubles that they threw overboard, they came back with a high tide. My cousin Bill had to sell his boat, and old Jim went to jail. 3 years in the Spring Creek prison before he got out of there. And old Junior was playing cards, but he was playing for keeps. They found him lying in Beggar's Cove, about 6 feet deep. Well, he tried to run, but he couldn't hide, 'cause all the troubles that he threw overboard, they came back with a high tide. I guess some things never change. You might find peace with your life, you might discover rage. They'll take your clothes for amphetamines, they'll steal your wallet for booze. They'll sweep you onto a barroom floor just to watch you lose. Well, you can run, but you can't hide, 'cause all the troubles that you threw overboard, they're coming back with a high tide. Well, you can run, but baby, you can't hide, 'cause all the troubles